Douglas. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go on. Go play. Look at all these cool toys. Hey, look, I'll sit right here.
She's going to be with me every instant that I'm alive. I just wanted to see if you go to Disneyland.
What's wrong? Okay, what's wrong? What's wrong? Here, look, I'm right here. I'm right here.
It's really a miracle that he's with us today.
All right, come here, Doug.